Now we're going to run a test print on your machine to see if everything's okay before we start printing a job. So we're going to press the nozzle dropout test button and printing test execute. So it may need to come up to temperature. Once it's done that, it will run the test print. So as our machine is a showroom demo machine, the nozzle print test print is perfect, which isn't great for you guys. So what I'm going to do is drop in a graphic of what a very bad test print looks like, and that will be this. So all those little white gaps that you can see in the nozzle test print are blocked nozzles. So this is what we don't want, as your prints could be stripy or banding as we call it. So what we need to do about that would be to run a clean on the machine itself. Now there is also a graphic on the screen which we will show you. So if we press the nozzle dropout test again and execute it again, it will show you a graphic on the screen of what you're looking out for. So that graphic shows you any potential missing nozzles and also the one underneath which is slightly askew. So that is a displaced nozzle. So either of those would require action. Now the action is to run a clean on the machine. So if we go down to the cleaning section, press that, and we're going to run it for a normal clean. Now on the test print you can see it's broken up into A and B. So you can either clean one side or the other side depending on where those missing nozzles are, or both. This process, as you can see, takes about 2 minutes for a normal clean. For a stronger clean it will take a bit longer. So we always say run a couple of normal cleans first. If they're not working, go back and then move on to the medium cleans. Run a couple of those. If those aren't working, move on to the powerful cleans. Don't just jump into the powerful clean straight away. So once the process is finished, you're going to want to run another nozzle print, test print, to see if the cleans have been effective. So again, nozzle test print, printing test, and execute. Wait for the test print to finish. If all is good, then carry on printing as normal. If it isn't, go back to the cleaning stage, run another clean, so on and so forth.